Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wishing you all a very happy Environment Day. May this year further prosper and flourish our environment, our biodiversity in particular. My motivation to turn up to work every day is fueled by the energy exhiberated through the work we do, our efforts aimed at busting the gloom, the loss of biodiversity which is reaching catastrophic levels and hastened by climate change. The 4.6 million acres of Amazon that was impacted to the fires last year alone, causing major losses to our flora and fauna. For instance, the dung beetles of the Amazon that are critical to nutrient cycling and seed dispersal, not to mention the butterflies, the several Amazon ant species and other litter-dwelling invertebrates. All these were hugely threatened and not adapted to withstand such flames. Or do we talk about the chemical-laden cargo ship on fire that is just sinking off the coast of Sri Lanka, that would devastate the marine biodiversity and ruin the seabed in that patch of the Indian Ocean? Or do we look at the impacted critical habitats of more than 880 species through the bushfires closer to home, Australia? It is believed the Australian bushfires may have contributed to a 14% decrease in threatened species. As the Minister responsible for Environment and Agriculture, I cannot sit on my hands when biodiversity is being forced beyond our planetary boundaries, pushing our planet towards a sixth mass species extinction. If land degradation alone can cost more than 10% of the annual global gross domestic product through biodiversity loss and ecosystem services, then that is yet another reason. I have and will continue to contribute through every avenue available to me to reverse the biodiversity loss and restore our ecosystems. My higher purpose is to halt, reverse and restore our ecosystems through mainstreaming biodiversity into all sectoral policies. Through working with my parliamentary colleagues and all branches of the government, I will work with my team to progress the dedicated, standalone goals for mainstreaming biodiversity in Fiji. I will support and contribute my energies to continue promoting a whole-of-government approach towards biodiversity conservation and ecosystem restoration. May God bless our biodiversity.